Good, what is good? What is good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good? Hey guys, I want to take some time out to shoot this video today. I see I'm just kind of hanging out. I got my little daughter upstairs, man. She's been kind of sick, so she's upstairs with the vapor. But I'm downstairs here. I'm watching a little Ant-Man on the TV there. So I'm watching a little Ant-Man, but I wanted to shoot a video in the process of doing this, guys, because a lot of people will be stressing out right now, man. I mean, oh man, I missed work. My kid is sick. I didn't get to make the money I made. But guys, it's okay because I show people how to make money online while you're on autopilot, while you're at work, or while you're with your family, or while you're with your significant other, whatever. You know, I show you how to do this, guys. And I've taken the time out to learn this. One thing that I will say is that I stopped letting employments, and I want to say stop letting employments and things like that scare you guys. What you want to do is utilize your job right now to take those funds that you're getting and, you know, all the stuff that you're learning from that job and invest it in yourself. You know, take that money and go and join an online business where they're going to teach you how to go in business for yourself. They're going to teach you all the ins and outs of marketing. So regardless, where you can create your own economy. So if your job ever decides to say, you know, we want to go a whole different directions, because that's what jobs do, just over broke. That's what they do. You know, no one has ever got rich working a job. Now, I might say Wall Street, but you got to think about it, guys. Those are big commissions, man, that they making in Wall Street. But no one's ever got rich working a job, working for someone else, guys. I mean, they give you a set rate of what you're going to make. Not only are you getting a set rate of what you're going to make, they tell you when you can and can't have overtime. If you are in a commission structure type job, they're going to say, all right, we're going to raise goals, probably drop values down. So those jobs are never set. So I don't care if you make 80 grand, 100 grand a year at your 9 to 5. It can change. Things can change. They can say, we're closing up right now, and then what? But you don't have a skill. You never invested in yourself. So when that time does happen, because change is always happening in the background, but when that change does happen, are you ready? Are you ready for that shift that you're going to need to do? And that's what I tell everybody. I position myself to the point to where I'm okay now. I have income streams, and I've created funnels and systems for each one of these income streams that works for me 24/7, 365. Guys, right now I'm able to earn unlimited $250 commissions with just one program. Another program, unlimited 25, 100, 250s, 500s, 1,000 and 2,000. I'm involved in these type of programs where I'm positioned to make nice money, nice commissions, so I don't have to worry. And think about it, if you can get two $250 commissions, and we show you how to do this, $500 in one day, or if you did $250 a day, how many hours did you have to go work for that job? How many hours did you have to spend away from your family? How many times did you have to tell your child no, that you couldn't be there because it was mandatory overtime, or it wasn't any vacation time, or they not letting anybody off? That's not cool, man. That's not cool at all. And that's why I tell people, look, you want to start investing in yourself. You want to figure out ways to make money. The way that things are going now, especially online, you can make money doing anything. Surveys, saying something is yours, overpriced and selling it, and then using that person's information to buy it and ship it to them. Drop shipping. I mean, referring others to programs. Guys, there's so many things that people do. And if you guys know me, I like to refer others to programs. As far as, you know, all the programs that I'm involved in, I'm a reseller. So when you hear me say I was able to earn $250 commission while I'm at home with my daughter, that's why, because I have reseller rights to programs. So if from all my YouTube videos, which I tell people, you know, and teach people how to do, from all my text message marketing that I've done and things like that, I have sales are on autopilot. I have leads that are on my list that I've built throughout the years. So when I can send an email out to that list, these people, they already trust me. So they'll say, you know what, I want to join. So I've learned things to put myself in a position. No, it doesn't take years to learn. So things have changed now. It only takes anywhere between 3 months to 6 months to 6 months to a year, whatever you want to say. I say give yourself 6 months to a year to learn this business. Otherwise, Right after that, you're gonna be in game, man. You're gonna learn everything. You're gonna pretty much be in a position where you're gonna be good to go, where you can pretty much just have your own ATM, where you can print your own money. That's literally how things go now. Now, are you in position, or are you gonna put yourself in a position? See, you can sit here all day. Like I said, I don't care if you make 50 grand, 100 grand. Those jobs could change things up, and you could be making less money or no money at all, because you're helping build somebody else's dreams. Stop building other people's dreams. Start working on your own. It feels good to be able to be home with my daughter and know that I'm okay and I'm making money. It's okay, regardless. It feels good to know that I can go out and do stuff with my family and make that money right back. Those are the positions that you have to be in. That's the position that you have to put yourself in. And for people that don't know what we do affiliate marketing, okay? Affiliate marketing is where we either join a program and they give us the okay to go and offer their products to others, and they give me a commission, or I can buy into the program, then it gives me reseller rights, where I can go out now and refer others to the program and get a commission. See, a lot of people don't even know what that is. And that's why I got to always put that in there, because most people don't know what that is. If you look at Walmart, Best Buy, these companies, these places have affiliate programs, affiliate websites. So when someone purchases something from off those websites, then guess what? You're going to get a commission. So if you ever went to a Walmart page and it'll say Walmart ad, it'll say Walmart, but it'll say ad on there. That's because that's just an affiliate link. So when someone just clicks it and they start shopping and they do multiple purchases, that person is getting a commission. So, like I said, you want to be educated. And there's people out here like me and countless others that are willing to educate others and willing to help others. But you have to be willing to take that risk. You have to be willing to jump. So, guys, I don't want to take too much of your time as far as talking about this. I just wanted to kind of share some quick information with you as far as why you don't want to keep putting so much into that just over broke situation that you're in, that job, because they can change it. They can make anything. They can do anything they want to do. Literally, they can outsource stuff. We got our president that's putting tariffs on stuff that's making it harder for other people. They have to ship things, and jobs are closing because of that. Guys, it's harder out here. Position yourself. Position yourself. So I made this video specifically for Facebook. That's why I shot up in a vertical way, because I normally do my videos horizontal. But I shot it vertical because I wanted to do this directly for Facebook. This is not going on YouTube or anything like that. This is strictly for my people on my Facebook page, fan page here, business page. So you can see exactly what we do and that we're okay. So I'm a real person, guys. So if you see me promoting a $250 program, that is me. That is real. You're able to earn those type of commissions. Also, you just got to be positioned. We have a community of people that's willing to help you. We have a private Facebook group where we have training. Literally, you're going to be taken care of. Our goal is to help you. Okay, so 2019 is coming up. It's approaching very, very fast, guys. I want you to position yourself. These are real things, and real things that a lot of people are making money out here doing. They're living life, the best life for some of us to know what I'm talking about. They're living it, and you can be living too. So like I said, man, I'm just chilling right now. So I'm watching Hank and Scott. Ant-Man, I'm an Avengers guy, man. I'm an Avengers person. So, guys, I hope you have a beautiful and blessed day. I'll continue to hope that you have a beautiful and blessed day, and put yourself in a position, okay? So I'm going to wrap this video up. This your boy, Jay. There's also going to be a link in the comment section as well for you to get involved, and so you can make unlimited $250 commissions as well. I have some bonus training. I'm going to show you how I'm doing Craigslist posts, and people are, texting my phone, and my number sending out messages automatically. I'm going to give you trainings. I'm going to give you Facebook ads training. I'm going to give you Instagram ads training. I'm going to give you literally everything that you need to know, because I want to see you succeed. Also, my time, one-on-one time, more than anything, okay? So this is your boy, Jay. Hope you guys have a beautiful and blessed day. I'm out. Peace.